Hello guys, andito pala ako sa advanced server guys. May bagong hero naman guys, at Meg siya pala guys.
Welcome to Mobile Legends! 5 seconds to be understood. Request backup.
Yung first skill niya guys parang kahawig kay Farsi guys. Yung second skill niya guys ay may lumalabas na ibon at dalawa Mofa bato sa kalaban. Yung ulti niya guys parang si YNS. Makikita yung kalaban sa mapa.
No justice from my wrath. Imperial Phoenix. That was amazing. The Phoenix Ray.
Panoorin nyo na lang guys ang nangyari.
Imperial Phoenix.
Kung di ka pa nakafollow guys baka naman paki-like and share guys, salamat.